Well, mainstream neuroscience points strictly to the biology of a dying brain to explain all this. According to research from the University of Michigan conducted in 2013 and 2023, when cardiac arrest happens and oxygen stops flowing to the brain doesn't just quietly turn off. No way. Instead, right before death, there's what's called a gamma wave surge. Now, gamma waves are the absolute fastest brain waves we have. They're heavily associated with high-level consciousness, memory, and intense information processing. So at the exact moment of death, the brain actually becomes hyperactive. This massive final electrical jolt perfectly explains why that life review feels so unbelievably vivid and hyper-real to the patient. And then we have hypoxia. This is a severe lack of oxygen to the brain. When the brain is starved of oxygen, the visual cortex begins to heavily distort. Basically, this physiological failure causes darkness to start creeping into the sides of our vision, leaving only a bright spot of light right in the center. As you can probably guess, this perfectly mimics that famous tunnel vision effect that almost all NDE survivors talk about. Finally, there's the chemical cocktail. At the moment of death, the human body is under extreme physical stress. To block out the sheer pain of it all, the brain releases a massive flood of endorphins, which induces a feeling of extreme peace and euphoria. Plus, many scientists believe the brain's pineal gland releases DMT, that's a highly powerful, naturally occurring hallucinogen.